In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or remove autofill information from Google Chrome. Now, we all know that autofill can be a lifesaver when it comes to saving time and avoiding the hassle of constantly entering the same information over and over. However, there might be times when you need to update this information or delete it altogether. Whether it's outdated addresses, incorrect payment methods, or even old passwords, it's important to keep your autofill details current and secure. So let's dive right into how you can take control of this feature within your Google Chrome browser. To begin, open your Google Chrome and navigate to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is your gateway to controlling everything related to Chrome's functionality and appearance. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find an option labeled Autofill. Depending on the version of Chrome you're using, this might appear as Autofill and Passwords. Click on that, and you'll be directed to an area where you can manage the different types of information Chrome saves for your convenience. Next, you need to choose the specific category of data you'd like to edit or remove. Your options typically include passwords, payment methods, or addresses, and more. This classification helps organize your stored information, making it easier for you to navigate and make necessary changes. Once you've selected the category, locate the specific entry you wish to edit or remove. To make changes, find the three-dot menu next to the relevant entry. Click on it, and if you want to edit the information, select Edit from the drop-down. This will allow you to update your details and ensure everything is accurate and up to date. If, on the other hand, you wish to delete the entry entirely, you'll again click the same three-dot menu beside the entry. This time you'll choose Remove or Delete. By doing so, you're instructing Chrome to erase this piece of information from its memory, ensuring it won't be automatically populated in the future. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully managed your autofill settings, keeping your browser organized and secure. Remember, maintaining accurate autofill information not only saves you time in the long run, but also helps ensure your sensitive data is handled correctly. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep browsing safely.